The AFP says it has not monitored any security threat on President Rodrigo Duterte's first State of the Nation address next Monday, July 25th. Despite this, authorities are not letting their guards down. Security preparations continue for this historic event. The president has directed both the PNP and AFP to scale back on security preparations. Aya Macalma reports.
The AFP says no security threat has been detected on President Rodrigo Duterte's first State of the Nation address or SONA on July 25. This is based on the latest military intelligence report. The president wants a simple SONA without the fanfare of previous such events. Authorities expect various groups to stage rallies. There are also reports that some members of militant groups will be allowed entry at the Batasang Pambansa.
Ang ating presidente ay doing his best to be an inclusive leader. So lahat ng sektor ng ating lipunan ay kahabahagi niya sa kanyang administrasyon kung maaari. So tulad nga po ng natanong kanina kung may banta ba ngayong gagawing SONA, ang sagot po namin dyan ay sa kasalukuyan wala po tayong nakikitang malaking banta. Pero hindi pa po tapos ang monitoring dahil ngayon po ay 18 pa lang ng buwan. So 25 po yung SONA, so may panahon pa po. So patuloy pa rin po ang monitoring.
As part of the security preparations, they will deploy soldiers to help the PNP and CRPO in maintaining peace and order.
Remember, even without the appearance of a big threat, all our forces are always on alert. And our agencies in government, particularly those in charge of intelligence, are always on their toes. So hindi po natin sasabihin ibaba ang alerto. Patuloy lang po ang ating monitoring.
For PTV News, this is Waywaya Macalma.
Hi, ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.